What is up, you guys? What's good? What's going on? What's new? I really did miss y'all. Like, I miss like doing like little cute little vlogs and stuff like that. I feel like it's been like 2 videos since I've done something like that, and it's like we need to get back to it, you know what I'm trying to say? So it is currently Saturday and I'm not doing anything today. Well, I have like this interview at like 5 o'clock or something like that, so we gotta get going. Y'all, please do not mind the booger in my nose that magically appeared there. Yeah. But before I wanted to do that, before I go to that, I wanted to actually like do something nice and productive before, you know, the day ends and stuff, because I feel like it's nice to form good habits, and it's just nice to like have routines and stuff. So I want to hop in the habit of doing stuff like earlier, you know, just to get my day going and stuff. So the things I will be doing today is I will be working out. I actually wanted to get my body like together and stuff like that. I know I have a pretty decent body, but and people always be like, girl, work out, you don't need to work out, you have a nice body. But it doesn't matter. Like, you need to start forming good habits like that, because the minute I stop working out or whatever, and the minute I get too comfortable, yeah, my body I might not be messing with the body, you know. But before all of this, I want to like make me like a nice little acai bowl. I got the stuff to make it, so I wanted to make me one, because I usually get ones from like Jamba Juice or whatever, and their stuff is actually so good. Like, their stuff is so good, but you gotta kind of like eat it while you can, like, because it's not gonna be good when it starts to melt. Like, no, it's not. But yeah, when I come back from the gym and stuff, like, I'm gonna like get in the shower and stuff like that. And I also want to work on like some work, because I've been like sick for the past week, and there is some work I need to catch up on. I actually been doing my work, so it's not too much, but we still need to like get some work in motion. So y'all, this is actually pretty exciting for me, because I love acai bowls, I love smoothies, and I love fruits. So I'm excited to be making this, because this is my first time making it, but I have this stuff now, so it's like, let's get into it. So if you guys watched my other video, you guys will probably know that I have like this little like cute little personal blender thing. I'm gonna show y'all. This is it. So it's like a little cute personal blender. I got it from Target. No, not Target. I got it from Walmart for like, how much? Maybe like $13. It was not too expensive, so I had to get it. So then I have these like acai packs. I've never used these, but I opened it because I was gonna use it like yesterday, but then I was like, no, like, let me just save it for today, you know? Yeah, so first it says slightly thaw at room temperature or soak under warm water for 1 to 2 minutes before cutting open. I guess I let it thaw out a little bit, and then I guess I put it into the blender and add like my personal like fruits and stuff like that I want to add. I want to use like a little bit of this. Not too much. Try to use more than this. This is like a little, but it's okay. It's okay. I feel like banana is very, very overpowering, so I don't think that we need a lot of banana. This is how it looks, y'all. It looks so weird. Oh my god. Okay. And then I think I just add a little bit of strawberries to it. Maybe. I'm gonna add like 2. And then I think that you are supposed to add a little bit of water to it, I think. Yeah. Y'all, I definitely don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just like winging it right now. I make a lot of smoothies, so I don't know how to make smoothies. I don't know how to make an acai bowl though. I don't know how to make that. But you know what, I'm gonna make it my way, because all these instructions and stuff like that is messing me up. Whew. Okay, let's see. I am so funny, because what am I doing? Wait. Yo, I don't think it's thick enough. I don't think it's thick enough. Hold on. It's good though. Okay, it looks like we're gonna have to add the second pack. I'm sorry. Okay, it's way more thicker now, as it should be. Like, that's how your acai bowls is supposed to be. They're supposed to be We did that. We did that. We did that. We did that. This right here is actually really good. Like, I'm gonna start making these more often just because I can, you know? So now it is time to start creating the bowl. We have the acai smoothie thingamajigger, so now we need to start topping it off. Okay, so let's start off by putting the smoothie in here. Ooh. It needs to be way more thicker, but hey, who cares? Cause why does it look watery? Okay, so the toppings I want to use is some blueberries and some granola. When I get acai bowls from Jamba Juice, those are my favorite things on the acai bowls. The blueberries, the granola, and then the honey. Okay, so the blueberries are all washed off. Let's add a couple in here along this side. I feel like it's not sitting on top of like as much as I would like it to, and that's a problem. Y'all, why does mine look like that? It's not looking too appealing. Okay, then we have vanilla blueberry granola. I got it because it just sounds good, like blueberry vanilla granola. Like what? Let me taste it and see it first though. That's good. That's real good. Are we missing anything? We got some granola. We got some blueberries. Are we missing anything? I think we're finished. Hold on. Let's add some honey drizzle on top. Oh, that's what I see. I've been seeing people adding like coconut flakes and stuff like that. We won't be doing any of that today. Sorry. Okay, this is the acai bowl I attempted to make. It looks pretty good. It's just, it needs to be a little bit more thicker, like frozen more, you know? A little watery, but it's fine. Well, now let's taste it. I hope I like it because I will start making more of these. It kind of melted a little fast. Let's just go for it. Okay. It's good, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all though, like when it's melted, it doesn't have that like same pizzazz. It is good though, but for future references, I now know to like add less water when making this. I'm not really a wasteful person, but if there's one thing I will not eat is when an acai bowl is like melted. I will not eat it. Like it's super duper weird to me. So y'all, because I did not work out, I did not have any like workout clothes for real. So it's like, but I have like hoodies and stuff, like sweatshirts, shorts and stuff, but it's like I don't have any workout clothes. Let's look for some though. I don't know how I got these Lululemon workout shorts, but I have them for some reason. We're gonna wear these today, and then what else? I'm going to wear maybe this like plain gray sweatshirt. So this is the little workout fit we'll be throwing on today. It's real simple, y'all. I might start buying like workout clothes if I can get consistent enough. I have to know that I'm for real. I have to know I'm dedicated, you know? Okay, y'all, so this is what we are working with right now. I feel like I'm finna like really like, it's really cute and simple, you know, nothing major. But now we have to pull out some sneakers. Now we have to figure out what sneakers we are wearing. So I was trying to put on my like cute little white Nike socks today because like, why not? But they're in the washer right now and we don't have any time to be wasting. So we're gonna put on the black ones. Just to be a little cute. I think I'm gonna put a hat on too. Like, I feel like it's just not really giving right now. I'm gonna put my gray Puerto Rico hat on. I wear this hat often just for the simple fact that it's gray. Like, it's just gray. It goes with everything. Okay, and then also I want to throw on my AirPod Max. So let's do that. I love these so much. Like, they're the perfect volume. Yeah, they get pretty loud. And they're just so nice. Like, whoo. The battery like lasts me like so long. Like if I have like 10% on these, that 10% would last me like 2 hours, you know? I'm trying to think, should I bring my tripod with me? Should I bring my tripod with me? Should I? I'm gonna bring it with me. So y'all, after I got done doing some squats, I noticed that my legs were burning, like they were on fire. And I was like, oh dang, like you really gotta stretch before you like work out and stuff. Like it's a must. So you guys, before you guys work out, make sure that y'all stretch. So to end my workout off, I started walking on the treadmill just to get my blood pumping and stuff like that. And then I turned to FNF by Glorilla. And I started going crazy, y'all. Like I was singing all loud up in the gym. You know what I'm trying to say? But I had stopped whatever. I ended up running for like 3 minutes, but it felt like freaking 10. But I was proud of myself. Y'all, that water tastes weird. Like something in the water tastes weird. Okay, anyway, so the workout was pretty good. I noticed, one thing I've noticed is I need to start stretching before I work out. Like that's a must, like, because when I was even working out, like my legs, like I kid you not, my legs was giving out. They were giving out. So I need to start stretching before I work out. I also need to create me like a nice little routine. Like I need to figure out what I really want to work out and what I'll be consistent with and stuff. And I feel like that'll help me, like when I get into the gym, like do everything I need to do instead of just like, you know, trying to knock down other things. But as in right now, let's get into the shower because I am like hot. I'm hot, like I'm sweaty. I need to get into the shower. Y'all, this Method body soap smells so bomb from Target, as well as this Tree Hush Sugar Scrub. I love using the both of these when exfoliating my skin and when I just want to smell like coconuts. You know what I'm gonna say? It smells so good. So I am now done showering and stuff like that. It is getting a little dark outside. I cannot stay in Minnesota. Winter is fine. It's not that bad, but I cannot stay in Minnesota. But this weather literally has the sky getting dark around what, 4? It's literally nighttime at 4 or 5. Like at 4 or 5, you better be expecting darkness. But we are going to get started on some homework. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to do some homework for government class because I haven't really touched any homework for that class. Oh my God, I want to make me some coffee, baby. I want to make me some coffee. Like that's what I love drinking, like throughout the day, coffee. And I want to make me some while I'm doing my work. So let's do that. So I now have my coffee made. I've been making coffee since like the youngin', y'all. Like I've been loving coffee since a young age. I get it before school. Sometimes I get it after school. It doesn't matter. I just feel like coffee gets me through my day. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I don't think I have any homework to do for real. Let me see. Hold on, let me look around. Cause Jada not having no homework to do, that's insane. So that's just too, no. But this week I've actually been going in. Like this week I've actually been doing what I had to do. Like, okay, I definitely wanna, y'all, I'm actually a little bored right now. Like I've stopped being on my phone as much. So I really am just like wondering like, dang, what should I do? But I'm gonna figure out something to do because it's like, I want to write right now. Like I want to write right now. Like I don't want to get on my phone. I just want to write right now. Okay, you guys, so I now know what I want to do. I think I want to make me like a little cute vision board for my MacBook screen. That's what I'm gonna do. I've always wanted to do it, but I've just never had time to really do it. So I think that right now is that time. So I just finished up making my little vision board for my my wallpaper, and right now it's looking really cute. Like I found some like good pictures on Pinterest, so that's what I utilize. I'm gonna save it to my phone and then add some like low exposure, and then I'm going to add it onto my screen. So let's do that. Okay, so I finally added it to my my screen. I had to change it around. I don't know, my stuff was tripping, so I had to like kind of redo the whole thing, but it ended up looking pretty nice. So I'm kind of satisfied with how it looks right now. But y'all, I am finna go out to eat with my friends. We're finna just go to Famous Dave's, I think, because we're pretty hungry. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Thank you guys for watching this little video. If you have not already, subscribe to my channel, okay? Because you will love it here. Once again, give this video a thumbs up because the video was a banker, and it probably took me so long to edit. Talk to you guys later.